this atmosphere outside the terrace in the evening, and the weather was nice, and also many talks. It's really nice.
I really love the spirit of this conference. So Data Festival for me is always the sneaker festival.
It's all about people, and this is my biggest takeaway that I would take from here.
For me, the highlight is the level of maturity of the community.
I'm not a typical data engineer or whatever, so I'm a decision maker. I'm coming from industrial engineering, but also for me, I can take a lot of things with me, have the right detail grade to understand what the people are talking about and to take this within to my organization.
This is probably the first conference in close to a decade that I've actually enjoyed like all of the talks I've been in.